Imagine a world where your gaming experience transcends the ordinary, where power meets sophistication. MSI products offer superior performance, innovative cooling solutions, immersive visuals, and exceptional build quality, all designed to elevate your gaming world. MSI, the name that resonates with unrivaled gaming and content creation experiences. Let's dive deeper into the realm of MSI's gaming arsenal. MSI's impressive lineup of products is enough to make any gamer's heart race. From top-of-the-line gaming laptops and desktops to state-of-the-art motherboards, graphic cards, and monitors, MSI leaves no stone unturned in its quest for gaming perfection. Imagine the power at your fingertips with MSI's gaming laptops and desktops. Each one is packed with powerful processors that can handle any game you throw at them. But the magic doesn't stop there. High refresh rate screens ensure that every frame is smooth as silk, immersing you in the action like never before. And let's not forget about MSI's advanced cooling systems. These systems keep your gaming rig cool under pressure, ensuring peak performance even during the most intense gaming sessions. Add to this the unparalleled performance of MSI's motherboards and graphic cards, and you have a gaming arsenal that is second to none. Every MSI product is a masterpiece, engineered for the ultimate gaming experience. But why just hear about it when you can experience it? Venture into the vibrant MSI universe by visiting our official website. With its user-friendly interface and detailed product specifications, finding your perfect gaming companion has never been easier. Dive into the MSI universe and embark on an extraordinary gaming journey. MSI True Gaming.